Do you know the 7 cool features of Google Lens? Here are the few easy steps. First, download Google Lens on Google Play Store, and it is also available on Apple Store. Google Lens lets you search what you see, get things done faster, and understand the world around you using just your camera or a photo. You can use Google Lens on translating language, scan text, search object, search your homework, search product, search places, and even search dining places. After you download the application, open the Google Lens app. If you do not understand the label on your product, use the Google Lens. Navigate on Translate section and scan the text. The Google Lens will automatically translate the text on your native language. You can also change the language on the option. You can also scan text on the object. Just navigate on the text section. The Google will scan the text. The application can read the text for you and you can copy the text.
Title 7 Cool Features of Google Lens.
You can use the Google Lens on searching object too. Just take a photo of object and swipe up. You can also use Google Lens on your homework. Just navigate on Homework section and scan your assignment. You can also use Google Lens on shopping if you want to search the product online. Just scan the object. You can also use Google Lens to search for the places. Just point the camera at buildings for details. And lastly, you can use Google Lens on dining. Just scan the food on the camera, and the app will tell you the nearest food stall that offer the food or menu you scanned. And that's all the 7 cool features of Google Lens. Learn more about mobile. Click subscribe for more tutorials here at Mr. Mobile.